Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Loom for video hosting, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.loom.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you can choose to log in with your email and password or use a connected service. If you prefer to log in with email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. After filling in both fields, click the login button. If you opted to use a connected service, select the corresponding button for Google, Microsoft, or another service. Follow the prompts to complete the login process through that service. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Loom dashboard. Here, you can start creating and managing your videos. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection or verify your login credentials. Loom also provides a password recovery option if you've forgotten your password. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if necessary. Now you are ready to use Loom for video hosting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.